Hi, we're back in our Swift Alpine 2 2023 model caravan, and we're wanting to winterize the caravan. So part of that is draining the combi 4, Truma combi 4. What I've discovered is that after opening the wee valve there, only a dribble of water has come out, even though I've got the taps open. So what's happening is there's no air getting into the tank, and it's because this wee valve is sticking. But it's not too hard to fix. It just needs a wee bit of air blown into it. So I remove the air intake hose, and if you can see there, all you need to do is get a wee bike pump. So I've got a bike pump here, and you just place it on the end there and just give it a wee pump, and you'll hear it just release. There you go. Water's all coming out now. Yep. So that's the problem, is it's just got a wee thing that sticks in there, wee valve. And once you put a bit of air into it, you hear the water coming out now. So if you've got that issue, that's how you fix it. Thank you.